If you want to fix this problem, first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Lloyds Bank mobile banking. Then after that, you tap on update over here to get the latest update of this app. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart to restart or reboot your device. When this problem is not working or this problem is not fixing it, what you have to do is to go back to your phone and try to search for this app and use your finger to just tap on it for some while. Tap over here to be in the app info of the app. Then after that, tap on for stop, then you tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is turned on. After that, you have to go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the background data. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button, then tap on restart to restart your device. When this is not working, what you have to do is to contact the developer. So what you have to do to contact the developer is by going to Google Play Store. Just tap on the app. When you search it, after that, tap on app support. When you tap on app support, you're going to find the email of the owner of the app or the developer of the app. Just pick the email and contact the developer and you are going to get the problem fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.